This look is giving me real spicy mommy hot tamale. And if you're ready to see how I got this look, please keep on watching.
Oh, bitch, I'm on my pretty girl shit. Didn't have to blow a bag on my pretty girl fit. Had your daddy drop it off. Heard you do a little fit. Hella bit. OMG, she always think that she the shit. I'm that bitch, no counterfeit. When I walk through bed, it's lit. I'm so pretty, bitch. Hair and makeup done by Lily, bitch. Not so thick, but your nigga love the way my titties sit. Not a city chick, but
Hey y'all, it's your girl, Presidential Lily, your favorite Lily, and we are back with another video. Getting straight into the video, I'm going to take my Got To Be Glued Styling Spiking Glue, and I'm going to use this to smooth my edges back. I know that we tried to cancel these products out for our installs, but for me personally, with my soft ass edges, this glue really works to secure them back, hold them back so I can put the cap on really neat. So all I'm doing is taking a little bit of that gel and I'm taking my toothbrush and my blow dryer on warm heat and I'm just smoothing and slicking my hair back. Whenever I do anything like this, whenever I'm using my blow dryer in an install, I always use the heat, especially when it comes to gels and hairsprays. I always use my blow dryer on the warm or hot setting because it speeds up the process of drying it. The cool air is cool, you know, but if you really want to do this quicker or you just don't want to take so long, I suggest using the warmer heat setting on your blow dryer, and it works just as well. There's no difference in it or nothing. So I'm going to go ahead and continue doing this all over my edges. Again, I'm applying a little bit of glue. I'm just going to call it glue. And then I'm taking my toothbrush and my blow dryer and I'm just blow drying it all back to make sure they're really smooth and all my edges are just out the way. I don't want any of my edges in the way. And this gel really helps get all my little fine baby hairs, the little hairs that kind of be on your face. It really gets it and sleeks it all down and all the way back. So this is what I wanted to do because, like I said, I was getting ready to go to Miami for my birthday. So I really just wanted this install to be secure and not melt so quickly. That's why I chose to use this glue. So getting into my ball cap method, I went ahead and cut my ears out so that the cap can lay flush to my skin. And now you guys just see me taking my hair glue, and all the products will be listed down below that I used in this video. So be sure to check the description bar for all the products. But I'm just taking my glue and I am lining it along my hairline and I'm closely mimicking my hairline. I do like for my laces to mimic my hairline. So this is the reason why I like using the glue. Plus, like I said, I was going to Miami, so I want everything to be heat resistant, water resistant. So the glue is the best method to use when it comes to your ball cap method. And I'm going to go ahead and cut this excess cap off. So now I'm just taking a foundation that's darker than my skin tone and I'm just applying it to the cap so that my cap is my skin tone and it looks really good and natural and flush under the lace. I chose to do a darker color just because I'm doing a color wig, so I felt like I should go darker so I can get a really true match. I also went dark with the makeup on the lace because my lace was a hair store lace and the lace was really white, but that was the only problem that I had from the frontal. Other than that, everything was amazing. um as you guys see here, I am cutting off the ear tabs. In the next little clip, you guys see me taking my hair down, I just got finished sewing the perimeter of the wig back. This wig has an elastic band in it as well to keep it in place and for it to lay the lace to lay flat. And the bundles are actually from my own personal vendor. See, I just got finished, sewing the back down. And yeah, we're finna get into like really finessing this lace because I still had to correct the lace color a little bit for it to match me a little, to match my skin tone, for it to really be melted. So you guys are gonna see me do all of that. The part really was getting on my nerves a little bit. You guys see me correct that too in the future, but other than that, the wig is looking good. Finessed, literally finessed. I literally finessed this wig, and I just want you guys to watch. So keep on watching, y'all. I'm finna shut up. I can't shut up for long, so I gotta keep telling y'all what I was doing. But see, now I'm taking 91% alcohol, and I'm just cleaning off that area. Before, I already cleaned off this area beforehand, before I applied the glue to do my ball cap method, just because I wanted all oils to be removed and gone, especially because I'm using the glue to do my ball cap method. So always take note of that, and I'll put that on the screen somewhere. But I'm just taking my boat hole glue, and I did 4 layers of this glue. I apply really like good sized dots, and then I take a back of a tweezer. Sometimes I take a wooden spatula, anything, and I just spread it, and I spread it forward to really melt the edge of the cap down. And I use 4 layers, like I said, I was going to the beach. So the more layers, the better and secure your hold is. The wider you apply the glue, the more secure your hold is. I could have went wider, but I did not. But hey, it is what it is. I just went an inch wide. So this is after I applied the 4 layers of the glue. And now I'm going to go ahead and pull the lace down into the glue. And I never really wait for the glue to get like super duper clear. I don't know, you can blame it on my anxiety or whatever, but I just always pull the lace down when the glue is like 98% clear. And you see here, I'm just like pretty much touching the lace to the glue. I'm not trying to touch my finger on the lace or anything like that, because I do know that I don't wait till it's fully clear, so I'm still going to get a little bit of stickiness. Now I'm going to take my comb and really use the back of it to press the lace into the glue, and as well as make sure that I comb the hairs. Keep the hair, when I'm combing, I'm making sure that the comb keeps the hairs out of the glue, okay? But you guys are just gonna see me making sure that I really press the comb into the glue, like really make sure that I have that lace really just bonded into that glue, baby. Okay, you really want to make sure that you press hard. So this is when I finally get the part like to like my liking. I didn't want it to look so curved. I kind of wanted it to look more like it was going back and then curved, because I did hand make my wig. So, sometimes you have to lay the tracks a certain way. But now I'm going to go ahead and just take my little eyebrow razor, and I'm just going to cut the excess lace off. And I really make sure to cut like super duper jagged, so you cannot tell where the lace starts or begins. Okay, that's how you really get that invisible lace look, when you really just take the razor and go to town. As you guys can see, like, the lace is all kinds of ways, all kinds of ways. And I'm not gonna act like when I'm looking in the camera like you can't see like a little cast. So I'm not sure where the clip went, but I do go back in with a little bit of my own like foundation on a little bit of eyeshadow brush, and I go along the edges where you will actually see the lace, because I am doing a swoop. So the side that had the swoop, I didn't really go back and put a lot of makeup over, but the side with the part and I in the baby hairs, I did go over that side with the darker foundation and an eyeshadow brush, just so that it could blend into my skin more. And then once I was done, baby, I didn't get any clips of when I was done, but I'm gonna show you guys pictures. I got plenty of pictures, and as you guys can see here, I just went back through and glued down my ear tabs so that my ear tabs could be secure. And yes, honey, keep on watching the slam. And if you're this far in the video and you have not subscribed, what are you doing? What are you doing? Go ahead and press that subscribe button, okay, baby? Okay. So now the ear tabs are down. I'm going to take my Nairobi I love Nairobi. And I just take it and I just put it right where I applied that glue, baby. Take it and you put it exactly where you just put the glue. So what that's gonna do is gonna help your lace and that glue melt even more together. It's gonna like make them marry each other. Like this is the pastor at the wedding, okay? This is the pastor at the wedding who just said, you know, for rich or for poor, okay? Thank you. So now these are the wedding rings, you know, after y'all said all that. And it's the kiss. This is the kiss. The barber strip is your kiss, okay? So you're going to put these down. I'm really crazy. I go ham, okay? So I put 3 strips down. And then I've never really done this before with none of my with my lace installs. But I just bought me a new hooded dryer. Very, very nostalgic. I felt so good sitting under it because I haven't sat under one since I was a kid. So it was really exciting to have my own first hooded blow dryer, and I sat under it. And I'm sorry that I didn't get any clips of me under it, but, you know, the position was just really weird and it was going to be a lot for me to set up right there, so I didn't. But I went and sat under my hooded dryer on high heat for about 30 minutes, and then I come back and I'm going to show y'all what I'm looking like, okay? Your girl was busting 30 minutes. So as y'all can see, your girl was pretty much like super duper laid. The lace is really laid and glued. And now I'm going to begin styling my hair. I really don't want to talk to you guys. Not like that, but I really don't want to sit here and like talk you guys through the whole styling process because it's really self-explanatory and you guys can see everything. All the products I used are down in the description bar below. So if you want to know any of the products that I used, they're all down there. I want to say thank you guys for watching this video, and yes, please subscribe if you haven't. Click the notification bell to stay updated with all your girls' videos, and let me know how you guys feel about this new intro. I actually made my own intro. Shout out to Exclusive C for teaching me how to make my own intro, and I made my own outro. So y'all let me know. Leave comments down below and let me know how you guys feel. And like I said, this was my birthday hair. I felt really good rocking my own extensions, my own hair, and just being a bad bitch on my birthday. I really enjoyed my birthday, and I really wanted to give you guys a gift since it's my birthday. It was my birthday. So here's this hair video. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair video, and I plan on making more videos soon for you guys. Mwah! Thank you guys. while reviewing this last clip, I noticed that I didn't get to show you guys how I did the sideburn baby hairs, nor me putting the concealer in the part and coming out of the blow dryer, the hair dryer and all that good stuff. And I feel really bad about that. But at the end of this clip, you guys do get to see 2 pictures of the finished product. They're not super great. They're of me under the blow dryer. But I would like to say that there will be another hair video soon after this upload where I'll make sure that I show everything and include everything in the video. Sometimes it's really hard for me to remember and pay attention to my recordings and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video once again. And I do apologize for not showing everything, but you guys get to see what the finishing look like, okay? And I feel like that's all that matters. So
Bitch, I'm on my pretty girl shit. Didn't have to blow a bag on my pretty girl fit. Had your daddy drop it off. Heard you do